Yan na nga. Ayan!
Ulit pa natin. Oy, excuse me. Excuse na. Ay, pero muna ako. Oh, ito ko ngayon. Follow. Saglit lang ah. Following method of
Nagalaw na.
Wala na. Equation in the form of ax squared plus bx is equal to 0. And ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Solve the root. Hindi ito ano hindi sugat na root. Oo. Root ka ba sa square? Negative 5x is equal to 0. X quantity of x negative 5 equals c of 0. X equals 0. Consider x. Transpose. X negative 0. X minus 5 equals by 0. X transpose c of 5. And x negative 5. Break 0 is comma 5. Break. Wait lang, ipin ha. Guys, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Kaya nakuha sige guys. Kasi ginawa ang a at saka c at c9. Negative 6. Negative 2. Pinactor naman negative 2 at saka negative 3. Kaya naging positive 6. Factor. Positive x negative 2, positive x negative 3 equals to 0. X negative 2 equals 0. Kaya naging transpose the 2 negative 2 kaya naging positive 2. Ang sagot x equal by 2. And the transpose ko yung 3. Kaya naging positive 3. Embrace 2 and 3 comma 3 embrace. Number 5. The number 5 naman ay naging 15 ito. Kasi 9 dito sa 3.
Uy, 4 pa lang, may 5 ka agad.
4 pa lang ba? Ito factor ang 15. Factor by 15 times 1 is 15. Factor x is
Pwede na?
x positive 15 over 5. Nakuha yung 5 dahil ang LCD ay 5. Tama ko ang 5. X positive 1 over 5 is equal by 0. And kaya hindi x plus 3 divide by 5, 15. 15 divided by 5 is 15. 3. Kasi naging x, quantity x plus 3. With x positive 1 field, kaya nakuha. Kaya naging 1, 3, 59 people. Divide by 5. Kaya equals 0. And root.
Yes.
And x positive 0 equals 0. Tinatranspose kaya naging negative 3. And x is equal by negative 3. 5x plus 1 is equal by 0. Tinatranspose is 5. Kaya naging x equals negative 1 over 5.
Yun lang. Tapos sana,